Now I know what you're thinking. This is Matt's second summer at SERC, and he's going to talk to us about soybeans again, but that's where you're wrong. Because today, we're out at Biodiversity Tree, and we're going to be slingshotting for trophic leaves. Other than a nostalgic childhood toy, slingshots have great use by arborists out in a forest like this. And here at SERC, the Terrestrial Ecology Lab is interested in getting trait data from these leaves way up in the canopies. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching y'all how to use a slingshot and what you need to grab leaves from way up top. First, we're going to need to grab our materials. And a good attitude. Now the process of slingshotting is so exhilarating, there's enough fun for two. So you're gonna wanna grab a partner. And today I'm joined by the wonderful Lillian Berth to help me out today. Next, we're gonna wanna find our tree and size it up. Once you've found your tree, take a look up at the canopy and find an angle where your shot is gonna be clear and true. Now, you also wanna ask the tree politely if you can hurl a dense object through its canopy at high speeds. Is that okay with you? All right. Now we can start setting stuff up. You're gonna take your reel attached to some sort of apparatus and attach your fishing weight to the end of the line. Now, once you've got your angle and permission from the tree, we're ready to grab our partner and line things up. And the most important part is you have to assume appropriate slingshot stance. And your partner needs to match that energy or else the whole operation is botched, as shown. Now, once the energy is equidistant between you and your partner, you're ready to sling that thing. Now what Lillian's gonna do is pass me the weight. I'm gonna seat it into my slingshot, and Lillian is gonna open the bail of the fishing reel, and this thing's ready to go. Now, once you've shot your weight over and through the tree canopy, we have it on the other side. We're gonna take our weight off, and once the weight is off, we are now going to attach our arborist rope. And to the other end of our arborist rope, we're going to attach our rope saw. And with the rope saw now attached, we're gonna come back to the fishing reel and hoist our arborist rope and our rope saw over our desired branch. So now we have our rope saw over our desired branch, we got our gloves, we got our eye protection, and it's time to go bananas. And make sure to thank the tree for its goods. And that's all for me today, folks. I hope you've learned something today, and with proper supervision, guidance, and passion, you can get leaves from wherever you want to now. Thanks. I'll see you next time.